Hello, my name's Ben and this is my entry into the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021. So, as you can see, we've got a two-piece ash body and I plan to finish this in a sunburst pattern. So I've got three colours, stunning stains, and that's the plan for the finish. And I also have a tortoiseshell style pickguard, and about the neck as well. The neck is also from Crimson Guitars. It's a maple neck with an ebony fretboard and real mother of pearl dot inlays. The main finish I'm going for the neck is going to be true oil, and once the sunburst pattern has dried, once the stain has dried, I'm going to be using true oil for the body as well. So for the pickups on this build, I've gone with 58 split coils from bare knuckle pickups. I really like bare knuckle pickups and I've used them in my guitars for years, so I thought that would be a good choice. For the electronics, I got a kit from Six String Supplies. They do a really good kit for a P-bass guitar, so that will need to be soldered, put together. So this is where all the hardware is kept, in a shoebox. We've got the bridge, got the neck plate, tone controls, etc. And finally, the scratch plate. I just bought this off eBay. It has aluminium shielding on the other side, but I'm still going to use shielding paint for the pickup cavities and the electronic cavity. That's the end of this introduction video. For the second video, I'm going to be talking about finishing and going to be going through that with you. So if that's something that interests you, then I'd recommend you like and you subscribe. Thanks for watching.